Hey guys, today I'm going to run you through a quick tutorial on how to set up Loom and get recording. So if you head to loom.com, you're going to want to jump over to this tab on the right hand side here, Get Loom for free. And you're going to want to jump into whichever sign up method you prefer, or you can just put your email address in. So once you've set up your account, you will be asked to set up a few permissions and stuff through the settings app, and that'll just allow Loom to access your screen. And then you'll come to your dashboard section here. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on new video and then record a video. And you're going to be prompted to obviously set up all your preferences according to how you want it to appear. Obviously you can see myself, I've appeared in the bottom left hand corner here. You can change that so it's screen only and it just comes up with your Gmail icon, for example, or camera only if you want it just to be your camera of the face. But for this example, we're going to go through both. You're going to set your microphone example and your camera. You can see here, this is obviously the audio waveform. So if you plugged in a microphone or something and you're not getting much of a response, this is sort of the area to gauge whether your microphone is connected or not. So we're going to hit start recording. There's obviously a 5-minute limit for free accounts. But you can hit record and you select your screen and then hit share. And then from there, obviously you'll get your countdown and you'll see obviously it will pop up down here. And you can run through any tutorial. You can jump between screens. You've just got to make sure obviously that you set it up between desktop or tab in the first section there. And then you'll have your few options down here in the menu bar at the bottom. The tick is going to be to complete your video. And you got to make sure that you either you hit that tick to complete it. Otherwise it will be completely discarded if you hit the X. You can pause it alternatively as well if you wanted to stop, take a break, and then pick it up again. For this example, I'm just going to hit finish recording. And it will take you to a new page where once it's loaded, the video will appear and it's going to be all of your recording that we've just gone through. So this is very much a representation of what we've just recorded ourselves. You can adjust some preferences in here. And the most handy part about it is you can directly copy that link to your clipboard and you can send it to clients via email, to colleagues via Quip or whatever internal system you're using.